In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to the custom CSS section on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to tweak your site's design or add some personal flair, understanding how to locate and use the custom CSS editor in Squarespace is a valuable skill that can take your website to the next level. First things first, let's head over to the Squarespace website. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. Squarespace offers multiple ways to log in, but for simplicity and ease, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to seamlessly log in using your Google account, ensuring a quick and secure access to your Squarespace dashboard. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the Google account you used to sign up for Squarespace. This step is crucial. Make sure you choose the account associated with your Squarespace site to avoid any login issues. Now, let's move on to navigating to your specific Squarespace website. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where all your sites are listed. Select the website you wish to edit by clicking on it. If you have multiple sites, make sure to pick the correct one to avoid any confusion. Once you're in the back end of your chosen site, it's time to locate the custom CSS section. Look for the search bar. It's where you'll type in CSS. This powerful yet overlooked feature allows you to quickly find specific settings or sections within your site's administrative panel, saving you from navigating through multiple menus. After typing CSS into the search bar, you'll notice the custom CSS option appears. This is exactly what we're looking for. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you directly to the custom CSS editor for your site. Here you can start adding your own styles or modify existing ones to customize your site's appearance to your heart's content. Remember, the custom CSS section is a place where you can truly make your Squarespace site your own. Whether you're aiming to change the font styles, adjust colors, or create unique layouts, this is the tool that can help you achieve those goals. Just a word of caution though, CSS is powerful and should be used thoughtfully. Always make sure to save a backup of your current settings before making significant changes, so you can revert back if needed. There you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing the custom CSS editor in Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner looking to experiment, understanding how to navigate to and utilize this feature is a great step towards creating a more customized and unique website. So go ahead, dive in, and see what amazing customizations you can come up with. Happy coding!